Have you ever wanted a virtual card that actually works internationally for Facebook ads, Netflix, Google Play, Amazon Shopping, or online subscriptions? Or maybe you already use USDT and crypto regularly, but still struggle to spend it easily in daily life. Sometimes local bank cards don't support international payments. Sometimes payments get declined, and sometimes moving money between crypto and traditional banking just feels complicated. So recently, I tested a platform that offers an international virtual card you can fund directly using your bank account or even crypto like USDT. In this video, I'll show you how the platform works, how to register and complete KYC, how to fund the card with USDT, what you can actually use it for, and why it can be useful for freelancers, gamers, digital marketers, and online users. So let's get started. Mypal is a platform, provides virtual card that works for international online payments similar to a normal debit or credit card. And the biggest advantage of this is the crypto support. You can deposit USDT from apps like Binance directly to your account balance and use that balance for payments. That means you can move between crypto and card payments much more easily. I tested this card for things like Facebook ads, Google Play purchase, subscriptions, and online shopping, game top ups, and various international websites. The payment experience felt surprisingly smooth. So let's see how we can sign up for this. We click on Get Card for Free, and then here from this, just paste your email that you use usually. You will get a verification code. Go and check. You will get a verification code like this. So just copy that code, paste it here in the verification tab, then click on next. Now it will ask you to set a password. So you must set a strong password for this. Then click on submit. Now you will arrive this dashboard for the card. Now they are offering a physical card. We'll get back to this later. Now here you will see some notification from Mypal, and here options for top up. You can easily top up with USDT, and here is the USDT address, and it supports TRC20 and other blockchains. And also you can withdraw from here easily. Now, before using most features, you will need to complete KYC verification. The process is pretty standard. Upload your ID or driving license or passport, complete your face verification, and submit basic information. Once approved, you can access the virtual card features and apply for the physical card as well. And here you can see you can receive remittance from worldwide through this card. Okay, so instead of constantly dealing with P2P trading, payment restrictions, or complicated transfers, you can use your crypto balance more like a normal money for everyday online payments with this. They also offer a physical card for this virtual card version, which may cost you around $77 for a lifetime. But this means you can potentially use that card for ATM withdrawals all over the world. You can pay restaurant payments, retail shopping, and transportation with this card. And other real-world purchase, depending on your region, you can use it. Now here, you can apply for your card. So you will get a verification code in your email. Just copy that verification code and paste it there. Okay, and then go for OK, and you can apply for your virtual card as well. So this way you can get a virtual card here. Okay, so next let's see where we can use our physical cards. So here it is, the physical card. You can see it's more like a Visa card, and if we go to ATM, you can see we can directly use that card to withdraw balance, you know? So it's really amazing card that you can use all over the world for withdraw payments, receiving money, and also for purchasing. So let's see if we go to a retail store, does it work for us or not? So, yes, it's working nicely for us. You can use for purchasing anything with this card. Hope you like this video, and make sure to watch the description for visit the link and use my referral to get some bonus, and use my Mypal card because you can get it without any passport details, because there are some restrictions in many countries that you can't get a card for international card for payment. But here we got. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.